How to use Rednote for making money online. Let's get started. Rednote is a popular Chinese social commerce platform that combines content sharing, reviews, and e-commerce. It offers great opportunities for individuals to earn money online. Here's how you can use Rednote to generate income. First, you can build your personal brand. To start earning on Rednote, you need a recognizable personal brand that resonates with its audience, which is primarily young, urban, and trend-conscious users. Choose popular niches including fashion, beauty, travel, food, fitness, and lifestyle. Post visually appealing and authentic photos, videos, and reviews to build credibility. Respond to comments and messages to foster a loyal community. Rednote rewards influencers and creators who drive engagement and inspire purchases. Brands collaborate with creators to promote their products through posts or short videos. Share product links in your content and earn a commission for every purchase made through your link. Work with brands for long-term collaborations and exclusive promotions. Rednote integrates e-commerce, allowing you to sell products directly on the platform. Apply for your merchant account on Rednote. Upload product details with high-quality images and descriptions. Use your posts and videos to showcase your offers and attract buyers. Encourage customers to leave positive reviews as user-generated content drives trust and sales. If you have specialized skills, you can monetize them by offering services or expertise on Rednote. Offer makeup or skincare consultations. Share workout routines and sell personalized fitness guides. Provide customized travel itineraries for destinations. If you are a business owner, Rednote ad platform allows you to promote your products and reach a larger audience. Sign up for Rednote advertising platform, create targeted ad campaigns based on user demographic interests and behavior. Track performance metrics and optimize your ads for better results. By leveraging Rednote's unique mix of content creation and e-commerce, you can build a thriving online presence and monetize your efforts effectively. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.